Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit, Rider Alert.
Starting Friday, July 15th, 2022, the 8th and O Light Rail Station westbound platform and nearby bus stops will be closed due to major building construction on 9th Street. Trains traveling toward the 8th and Capitol Station will not stop at the 8th and O Light Rail Station. Light rail passengers should use the Archives Plaza Station west platform instead. The 8th and O Station east platform will remain open during construction. The bus stops at 8th and O and 9th and O will also be closed during construction. Northbound bus passengers should use the stop at 8th and P Streets, and southbound bus passengers should use the stop at 9th and N Streets. The construction is expected to last 3 years and is anticipated to be completed by October 2025. Learn more at sacrt.com/8th&O or call 916-321-BUSS. That's 916-321-2877.